Hello children, welcome to the library session. Today I brought Panchatantra story for you. But before reveal the name of the story, I want to make you aware about Panchatantra. What is Panchatantra? Panchatantra stories are famous for its moral values. Every Panchatantra story has a moral in the end, which teach us or give us lesson about life, how to l- treat, how to behave in different situation of life. It teaches. And Panchatantra stories are written in very light-hearted way, so it is famous to everyone from kids to elderly people. It is believed that Panchatantra story is written by Vishnu Sharma in Sanskrit words and prose. Later it published in many publication houses and translated in many languages from Hindi to English to many other regional languages. Panchatantra stories are written or narrated through animals. Many Panchatantra stories belongs to animals where the central characters are animals. Today I brought the story Three Fishes. Three Fishes story is small short story of Panchatantra, but it teaches great values of life. So let's start the story. I will narrate the whole story, listen carefully, and then you will fill up worksheet. It is coloring worksheet. I will not give you 2 3 worksheets or difficult word search worksheet, because I already given last 2 library classes. So there is only one worksheet, which is color filling worksheet. Fill the color and read what written on the top of the worksheet. Try to read. Once upon a time, there lived 3 big fishes in a lake. They were close friends, but characteristically very different from each other. The first one was very wise. He always did everything after careful thought. The second one was very cheerful, intelligent, and resourceful. He would always use his brain to find a solution for any problem. The third one believed in fate. He believed that whatever was to happen would happen and nobody could change it. One day, while playing in the water near the shore, the wise fish overheard a fisherman telling another fisherman, "This lake is full of good fish. Let us come here tomorrow for fishing." Hearing this, the fish rushed to his friends and told them all he had overheard. "Let us leave this lake through this canal and go to another lake," he said. The resourceful fish said, "I will not leave the lake. When the fishermen come, I will find a way to save myself." The third fish said, "I have lived in this lake all my life and will not leave it. Whatever will be, will be." The wise one did not want to take risks and left for the other lake. The next morning, the fishermen came and cast their net. The two friends were caught in the net. The resourceful fish thought of a way out. He lay still and pretended to be dead. The fishermen threw him out into the water. They thought that it is dead. The fish who believed in fate, third fish, kept flipping around the net. And what happened? One of the fishermen struck him dead. And what is the moral from the story? You know, children, think about the moral. One who does not adapt to change often perishes. They perishes to their fate.